Hello everyone and welcome back to Very British Vocabulary, the series which will show you by just changing a few words in your vocabulary, you can sound more and more British. Today's word is fancy. Now fancy is going to replace the word want. For example, I want a pizza. I fancy a pizza. Fancy means that you have a taste for something or you would like something. We can give some examples like, I fancy having a drink tonight. I fancy going to the cinema. I fancy having pizza for dinner. As I said, it's close in meaning to I want something or I have a taste for something. So don't confuse fancy with the other meaning that we have in British and American English, which means that you like somebody. For example, I fancy you would mean I like you and I want to go on a date with you. So there you have it. Just by changing one word, you will sound much more British. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stick around, there are many more. See you next time.